if the ground's cold and you are using a camping quilt like I do, you probably want a pad that has some insulation in it. This one that we're going to talk about now from Featherstone, you may look at it and go, hey, no, that's a Thermarest Z-Rest. Well, no, it isn't. They started making those years and years ago, and now Featherstone has come out with their version called the El Cordion. And you see it's a closed cell foam with kind of an egg crate shaped pattern on it on one side, and on the other side, it's a metallic color that's going to reflect heat back to you. The whole thing folds up, and that's why they call it the El Cordion, I think, is because it folds up kind of an accordion fold. You can unfold it partway and use it as a sit pad. There we go. Those are lined up and fold it out all the way extended to sleep on. When you do that, it's not very thick, but because of the kind of egg crate pattern, it gives it a little bit more loft and height and padding under you for a little bit more comfort. So I really like this if you have an easy way to carry it. So for me, maybe in my pack, I can fold it like this and tuck it in, but it's going to take up a lot of that interior cargo space. If I'm carrying this, it's likely going to be strapped to the bottom of my pack on the outside, maybe with the bear bag wrapped around it so it doesn't get snagged on trees and tear my sleeping pad up. The benefit here, this can't get punctured and fail on you when you're on the trail. Plus, these are very inexpensive compared to an inflatable, insulated, very durable, lightweight pad. There are a lot of considerations when you're looking for a sleeping pad. It's a pretty good option, especially if you're outfitting kids or people who aren't attentive to their gear, who may rupture a inflatable pad. Get them something foam that they can't rupture, and they'll be much happier.